Alright, I'm Fabtech bound. I got some rocket stoves to give out. Who doesn't bring 3 kilowatt hours of batteries with them? Camera gear, camping gear, mobile bed, all set up. Let's roll. 12.5 hours to Georgia. Well, this whole Jeep camper thing is actually pretty comfortable. I'm all stretched out here, memory foam pillow, plenty long. It's great. Well, I've been back at it for a little while now. I'm in Mississippi. I would say it's an interesting drive, but I did this a month ago when I drove from Mancrafting to You Can Make This Too. Alright guys, last tank of gas before I make it over to JD's shop. About 11.5 hours into this drive. I got a little bit over an hour to go. I'm ready to be done. Alright, well, we finally made it to Apex Welding for the big event here.
Drive in.
Yeah. But if you come to one of these events, avoid this dude. This has just been an amazing time up here at JD's shop. God, I say it in every one of these videos, but man, I love the community. We're just so open and inviting of other people. I've met people from big channels, small channels, no channels. It's been a great time. If you guys get a chance to come to one of these events, you definitely should. Well, JD's shop was awesome. Got to meet a whole lot of people that I've followed for a long time. Now I'm here at the Airbnb. We got Cressel, Maker Size, Kim, Thrifty Little Mom, I'm not pointing at anybody, Wildman Tech, and Chad from Mancrafting. Alright guys, well, I'm here at Fabtech trying to find the place where I'm supposed to check in, and I gotta go all the way to the top floor, and the elevator's broken over here. So, 6 flights of stairs. Okay, so those stairs don't go to where I need to go, but they do go to a service hallway. And somehow I can just walk in. I might be in trouble. Yeah, so I'm definitely not supposed to be in here. I don't know. They told me where to go to actually check in now, so we'll figure it out. Fake news.
Alright, so the way this has worked out is I ended up with a regular attendee badge and a press badge, so we're gonna have a bunch of fun with this. Let's see what happens.
That is a big gun tip. Just that's the shield cup. Wow. Thank you, Autodesk, for Fusion. That has got to be one of the biggest freaking bandsaws I've ever seen in my life. Damn. The most dangerous place in the world for somebody like me. I'm at the DeWalt booth with Megan over here, and she's in charge of metalworking stuff, marketing for it. Ugh, I'm gonna get in trouble.
Sorry?
There's so much stuff. There's even a couple things I don't have. Got me a fidget spinner.
Save that sharp 90 when you're working, as opposed to dealing with a real rounded over flap disc.
Exactly. Yeah.
sure I'm just gonna die. Look at those lines. I'm gonna starve. But don't worry, I found hot dogs and Red Bull. That's totally maker fuel, right? Definitely. All right, now we're gonna jump on one of these Lime scooters, head back over to the convention, and finish the day out. One scooter, uphill, uphill. Oh, there's traffic. Well, these are not bad. Decently a fan. The ribbon nuts is actually... Cool idea. Like a battery mag drill combo. New Magic Square.
It's basically
adjustable angle.
Adjustable angle, right? And what it is two squares combined together to make an adjustable. Okay.
Tool-free operation.
Tool-free operation.
Rail sizes, the green and the orange. The red is your basic pipe.
Yeah, 2 3/8, 2 7/8, which is 3.5, and then 4.5. I use these. Good people. Thanks to Praxair, they've got this second story area over here in building C at Fabtech. You can get a whole tour of this side of it.
By far the brightest light transmission and color spectrum of any helmet on the market today. The other thing we have is a sensor slide.
That's a nice helmet.
Where we're compressing the flap disc. So every product is going through a metal plate, okay, and we're strengthening the edge of the product, and we're knocking the
So it
material.
holds at 90 when you work into a corner a little bit better.
Yeah, and you're less likely to catch an edge and have the product flare out.
Yeah. I normally go with explode, but flare out. That's a technical term. I learned something.
Here we're wrapping it around the edge, okay, so you can go into a corner, and dig into it, and you've got all the abrasive.
So that's day 2 of Fabtech in the books. I am looking forward to sharing with you some of the information I got from the great companies out there, especially those that are supporting small content creators. This is the path out of here, and there's a train, and I want to ride it so bad. Like, how much trouble can I get in? Oh, I touched the train. Oh, shit! I have no idea where the hell I am right now. I'm trying to find my way back into the building. And apparently I stumbled upon like the forklift graveyard. It's just forklifts everywhere. What are they doing here? Okay, so for the second or third time during this Fabtech trip, I've broken in. I'm in the main concourse about 2 hours after the show shut down, and we're gonna find our way to where we're trying to go. I found my way to the showroom floor by following that service corridor, which was the only door I could find into the building. And I'm pretty sure I'm not supposed to be here because it's 7 o'clock and everything shut down at 5. So the question is, do we play with companies' stuff when they obviously don't want us to? Or do we do the responsible thing and head back to the media booth? So I'm gonna pet the robot. Don't pet the robot. You're not supposed to do that. I am in one of the coolest places. This is a road. This is like a real public street. That's a tunnel. That's a bridge. And on top of that is another bridge. It's a weird place. It goes like 8 floors up. All right, so it's 1:30 in the morning. Chad at Mancrafting, who I'm sharing an Airbnb with, won't buzz me into the building. and the code doesn't work anymore. So I'm gonna have to sleep in my damn Jeep tonight in the middle of Atlanta. All right, I'm in the Jeep. This is how we're gonna live. I might die.
That's an interesting use of the word mini.
These are cool.
All right, where's everything made, tell us?
North Wyndham, Connecticut.
All right, with that accent.
Yes, sir.
So 2 operations, we've gone from scratch dub to this finish.
With CS Unitech, and this is with the PTX finishing system. It comes out of Germany, 15 amp tool.
It's available in a bunch of different ranges too, right? You have like tool only and then packages for whether or not you need to go up, what number of finish you need to go to basically.
Just ran into a viewer at Fabtech. That's crazy. This community's awesome. I've been talking about that the whole trip. When I feel crazy because I'm talking on camera all by myself, these are the people and y'all who I'm talking to, and this is cool. I love this community.
Yeah, man.
What do you do, man?
I am a certified aerospace welder, and I weld cast aluminum gearboxes and flaps for aerospace manufacturers.
What's in line? What's this? Alrighty, cool. Now David Porter, what works for you? Yeah, works and seating. Perfect. And Chad's here like always. Alright, that's it. I'm done with Fabtech. We're just about wrapped up, and I'm gonna be heading out of here. Rest my feet. I do not know that you're supposed to ride on the back of a food truck, but I have walked so much I don't care anymore. I can never go on a road trip without it raining for the whole trip.
Well, sad to see the truck ran out of energy.
All right, that's Fabtech, and I am wrapped up, taking a nap, ready to get back on the road. Big thank you over here. Introduce yourself. There you go. And Chad from Mancrafting. I'll see you guys.
Safe trip, buddy.
Thank you. I'll see you all in the next one.